So this is Namakando Secondary School and Primary School pupils crossing the stream. The area is flooded, and the pupils, for them to reach the school, they have to cross the stream. So as you can see, this is how the learning activities is happening here at Namakando Primary School and Secondary. Today morning we came here to see and witness how the pupils are crossing. Therefore, the situation is getting harder every day, is getting out of hand. We don't know how the water levels will be moving this week. Otherwise, primary level have already closed. And as you can see, they have just reached the shore. These are the pupils at Namakando crossing this stream. So this is how they are crossing. This is the water levels at Namakando. And this is the main road. The one that you can see there is the main road going to Lukulu district from the eastern direction. Is